Welcome to this 10-minute meditation for clearing your mind and manifesting positivity. This transformative practice will help you release mental clutter and attract positivity into your life. We'll begin by entering a state of deep relaxation to maximize the effects of this meditation. Let's start by settling into a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Take a full breath in through your nose, inhaling clarity and positivity. Exhale through your mouth, releasing mental fog and negativity. Breathe in deeply once more through your nose, drawing in light and optimism. Exhale fully through your mouth, letting go of any pessimistic thoughts. Allow your body to relax completely. Relax your shoulders. Let your legs feel heavy and comfortable. Allow your arms to rest easily. Relax your forehead. Soften the muscles around your eyes. Release any tension around your jaw. As you breathe naturally, imagine a soft light entering your mind with each inhale. This light represents clarity and positivity. With each exhale, let go of any negative thoughts. Take a moment to notice any recurring thoughts that have been occupying your mind. Acknowledge them. Then see these thoughts gently fading away, making room for more positive ones. You have the ability to choose your thoughts and radiate positivity. Picture yourself as a calm, positive version of yourself. How does this version of you feel? How do you approach the day? What are you now able to accomplish because of the positivity you attract? See yourself starting your day with this mindset. You are calm and clear-headed. You are open to positivity. You are the best version of yourself. Affirm to yourself, I choose thoughts that support my well-being. I am open to positivity in all areas of my life. Each day, I become more positive and clear-minded. Imagine a gentle warmth spreading from your heart to the rest of your body. This warmth represents your positive energy. See it extending beyond you, touching various aspects of your life. As you feel this warmth, think of something you're grateful for. Gratitude is a powerful reinforcer of positive thinking. Carry this feeling of gratitude with you throughout your day. Now, think about how you'll maintain this positive mindset. Visualize yourself calmly handling any challenges that may arise. What small actions can you take to stay positive? Breathe in positivity. Breathe out negativity. Inhale clarity. Exhale mental clutter. Imagine a soft, protective energy around you. This energy helps maintain your positive state. Feel it becoming stronger with each breath. Know that this protective energy surrounds you everywhere you go. As we conclude this meditation, remember that you can access this calm, positive state anytime. You have the power to shape your thoughts and cultivate positivity. Now, start bringing your awareness back to your surroundings. When you're ready, open your eyes. Make this meditation a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Regular practice will help build a habit of positive thinking. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to significant changes. Start each day by setting a positive intention. You are deserving of love, peace, and all the good things you envision. Thank you for joining in this practice. Stay well.